When you think of browsers, Google Chrome still leads the pack. It's fast, reliable, and synced with everything Google. But Opera GX has built a strong following, especially among gamers who love customization and control. Opera GX stands out with its bold, neon design and unique tools like GX Control, which lets you limit CPU, RAM, and bandwidth use, something Chrome doesn't offer. It also packs a built-in VPN, ad blocker, and integrations for Twitch, Discord, and Spotify, all in one sidebar. Plus, the GX Corner keeps you updated on free games and deals. Meanwhile, Google Chrome focuses on speed, simplicity, and seamless access to Google's ecosystem from Gmail to Drive. It also supports the largest extension library, giving users nearly endless customization. Recent Chrome updates include memory saver and energy saver modes, helping reduce lag and battery drain, plus AI-driven tab organization and smarter search suggestions. According to Reddit users, Opera GX feels stylish and powerful, but can occasionally lag, while Chrome is boring, yet consistently stable. So if you want personality and performance control, go for Opera GX. If you prefer simplicity and reliability, Chrome still gets the job done. No flashy extras, just smooth browsing.